Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to the class of contemporary taxation. Today our 25th lecture and I'm your instructor Saba Naqvi. हम अपना चैप्टर नंबर 7 कर रहे थे तो आज इसको हम आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. Foregoing of salary. Foregoing salary क्या होती है? If any employee foregoing his salary, it does not mean the salary earned foregoing is not taxable. Once salary has been made available to an employee, its subsequent waiver does not make its exempt for tax liability. Such voluntary waiver on foregoing of salary by an employee is merely an application of income and is chargeable to tax. Reduced salary. If a government employee agrees to accept reduced salary, the reduced salary should be treated an amount to received by him for the purpose of income chargeable under the head salary. The exemption is available only for government employees. Reduced salary. Voluntary payment. Salary or allowance may be given as a gift to an employee, yet it will be taxable. The ordinance does not make any distinction between gratuitous payment and contractual payment. Next one is the salary by a member of AOP. Any salary drawn by the member of AOP is appropriation of profit and is chargeable to a tax as income for businesses being shared to a member of tax income of AOP is the view of previous content. Next one is the profit in lieu of or in addition to salary. The amount of any profit in lieu of salary or wage, including any amount received, a compensation for the termination of employment paid voluntary or under an agreement, including payment under golden handshake and loss of employment. Waypoint is the payment for any fund other than the related to the employee contribution. Third one is the pension and annuity or any supplement for to a pension and annuity, and last one is the amount chargeable to tax under an employee share scheme. Next है हमारा the amount of any profit in addition to salary or wages include any amount received as consideration as the time of entering into an employment agreement, as consideration as agreement regarding any condition of employment or any charges in the employment condition, and as consideration is restrictive convenient agreement with any past, present and prospective employment. Tax treatment on account of golden shake hand payment or loss of employment on the termination of employment. Where an employee receives amount on account for the above, then he may opt any of the following option available to him. Number one option is to offer the same as income in the year of receipt, and second option is the amount of tax at the rate in the ordinance accordance with the following formula, and the formula is the preceding 2-year income, 3-year total tax on taxable income under NTR divided by total tax income of preceding 3-year income under NTR multiplied by 100. It means that tax on income depends upon the term and condition selected between employer and employees. The salary income will be charged to tax and its gross value after the deduction of exempt salary income and allowance. However, no No expense and other deductions shall be allowed with respect to any expenditure occurring in salary income. Managerial prerequisite. Some employees provide concessional benefit to their own facilities. However, a hospital may allow its employee free medical treatment, medical facility, or school allow its children for its employee to get free and concessional fee, or railway bus and air transport provide free or concessional transport facility to its employment. Managerial prerequisite and are exempt expect free concessional passage provided by transporter include airline and its employee include the member of their household and dependent. For this purpose, we have to take an market value to facility provided to employee and add same in the salary income of employee after the deduction any cost borne by the employee. Value of prerequisite. The value of prerequisite of to exempt for to provide any employer to his employee shall include the following: motor vehicle used only and partially for private purpose, salary for our housekeeper, driver, and their domestic assistant, fair market value of utilities, actual amount waived of and obligation discharged by employer on the behalf of their employee, transfer for property and services provided, facility of accommodation or housing, interest-free loan, and loan at the conventional rate, in addition to the above the value of any other benefits. Non-applicability of this section. This section shall not apply to any amount of allowance provided by employer and expenditure incurred by employee for the performance of official duty of employment. Thank you.